Happy New Year! Hi guys, I know it's unusual that I post a video 2 days in a row, but today we're going to learn about months. Happy New Year! Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below for future video ideas. I now have to vacuum up all this confetti, so I'll see you later. Bye!